Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to go ahead and show you guys another strategy to get sales on Facebook ads to your Shopify store using something I call the viral method. So the winners for last video's giveaway for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls with me is here. If you guys want to qualify, be sure to drop a comment below. I'll be picking the best comment at the beginning of every single video to go ahead and give $1,000 worth of courses and consulting calls too, completely for free. So drop a comment below. But let's get right into the video. So my store Music Chest, one of our products we have just a lot of stock in and I want to liquidate. One of our products that we have a lot of stock for is the Frozen Music Chest. Frozen Let It Go. So I want to go ahead and launch a campaign to go ahead and try and get more sales for this music chest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the strategy of using viral videos to go ahead and make sales. So what you want to go ahead and do is go to Facebook and searching relevant keywords to your product. So if you have a golfing product, search up golf. If you have a makeup product, search up makeup and look for viral videos. So what I did was I just searched Frozen. So as you can see, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for videos that have viral potential. So I could either use Frozen Trailer 2, which was recent and got like 9.5 million views, but you know, that one's already saturated and that's recent. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably, another Frozen trailer that got 18 million views. So Frozen is pretty hot at the moment just because Frozen 2 is about to come out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go ahead and get this video, which is a year old, and I'm gonna try revamp it. So I'm gonna go ahead, open up a new tab. So let's watch it. So you wanna go to this website called getfvid.com, and this is basically a Facebook video downloader. So then go ahead, copy, paste, download. I want to download in HD, and there you go. The video is now downloading. Now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and go to the Music Chest page. Alright, now that I'm on the Music Chest main Facebook page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and actually upload that video, put in a simple caption, a link to the Frozen Music Chest, as well as adding that product to the page. So I'm going to be showing you this, but what you can do is you can go ahead and connect your Shopify feed to your Facebook page so you could add your product to posts. And that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you on this video. So let's write a post, photo or video. So I'm going to wait for the video to finish downloading. Alright, now I'm uploading the video. Here it is, thumbnail. I'm going to pick something like this, video details. I'm going to copy something similar to what they had. So let's copy this, paste it. There you go. Let it go music chest. And then let's see this. And I'm gonna try see if this works. musicchest.com/frozen. Perfect, it does work. So I'm gonna do that. /frozen. Add in some caps. This is the super important part. You see here, you want to tag a product. So I'm going to click it. There you go. Frozen Let It Go. So I'm going to click the one that's Trackify. And now I'm going to let this upload. And then I'll update you guys soon.
2,000 years later.
So now that we have the video uploaded, I'm gonna edit this, change this to something like tag a friend who can't wait for Frozen 2. There we go. Next. Title. Broadway's Let It Go. Next. Video post published now. Yep. Publish. Now the video's processing. And then what you want to do next is you want to comment and give credit to where you got the video from. So I actually want to go ahead and do this strategy with another video. Here you see it. Can't wait for Frozen 2. Watch Casey Levy as Elsa perform Frozen on Broadway. Let It Go. Let It Go music chest linked here. There's also the product here. When people are watching, they see the tag product of the Frozen Let It Go music chest. So how cool is that? So now we're going to go ahead and boost this with a PPE post. But I also want to do another example. So let's say I want to advertise my Simpson music chest. I've got to search up videos that are more viral and have higher potential to be viral, such as, you know, top 10 Simpson episodes. Or I could find those Simpson conspiracy videos. So let's just type in Simpsons. Let's go by view count. Here's a cool video. Homer Simpson body transformation. 33 million views. Okay, this video is a bit more, I have no idea how this went viral. But the fact that it went viral, that means this video must somehow make sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and download this. So I use this site called keepvid.pro. Paste your link in here, download now. Yep, I'm gonna get the best version, download it in HD. The video is now downloading. Go back to music chest, create a post, video, upload video. So I'm going to upload it once it finishes downloading. Awesome. So now you see it's uploaded. I picked the thumbnail. I used the exact same thumbnail that the YouTube video used. Video details. I'm going to use the same title. Put that into the title. Copy. Paste. Tag a friend who needs this motivation. I'm going to use emoji, strong, copy, paste, Simpsons, music chest, Simpsons, see if that works. Perfect, it does. I'm gonna go ahead and put that there. I want to make sure it's clickable as well. I'm gonna go ahead and tag the product, Simpsons. Perfect, there you go. Tag Simpsons, motivation, transformation, work out, lose weight loss, and then next, and then publish. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write credit and put in Jill Schaff. Videos processing. So I'm just scroll down, find the Simpsons post, comment, credit, put in this person's name, copy, paste. As you can see, you could get the product. Now I'm going to go to Ad Manager, create 017.Simpsons viral PPE campaign. product campaign. I'm gonna go for optimize for post engagement. Ad set 001. Add 1. Save to draft. Scroll down. Yep. Optimize for engagement. Post engagement. Go to the ad set. Post engagement. Daily budget. I'm gonna start it at $5. Country. I want to put in the top 5 countries. Browse. Saved regions. Top 5. Perfect. Detailed targeting. Let's just go Simpsons. 11 million. Perfect. Edit placements. I only want to do Facebook feed. Yep. Facebook newsfeed only. All mobile device. I want to start with mobile as well, not desktop as of yet. So I'll name it Simpsons. The Simpsons mobile FB feed. Go to add. Select music chest page. Okay, I selected the page. Use existing post. Select post. Select this one. Continue. And this is the post. Looks perfect. I think I might remove this text because it's just too much. I want it more simple. Edit post. Yep. Perfect. I went ahead and removed it. Made it even more simpler, because it's a viral video already, so I want to make it as simple as possible and give it that organic sort of virality. And now go ahead and publish, and it's as simple as that. And when you do a PPE post, you're gonna get a bunch of cheap engagement, and the post, if it's a viral video that you've chosen, it's gonna go viral on its own, and as a result you're gonna get a bunch of free traffic that's organic, and it's just gonna feed into your purchases with a related product. So I'm going to go ahead and update you guys with the results soon. Hey guys, what's up? So we're back with the update. As you can see, with the Simpsons viral PPE campaign that we launched yesterday, we got 379 post engagement for $3.10. So getting post engagements for under 1 cent to first world countries, which is pretty good for the top 5 countries. Ideally, you want this to be like cheaper. You want it like 0.004. So you want like less than half a cent. So what I do is I'll test it again and again until I find a more viral video. So I'll probably do like 10 Simpsons conspiracy videos, top 10 coincidence in Simpsons, top 10 moments in Simpsons, and find more viral video that I can make go viral on Facebook organically. That's sort of the key thing. You don't want to make it go viral through paid traffic. You want paid traffic combined with organic traffic. So let's go ahead and take a look at our post. So as you can see, we're here on the post. We got 2 shares, which is pretty good. We got 8 likes. What you can do to get more likes to your Facebook page, so what you can do is you click on likes, and then what you could do is you could go ahead and invite everyone. And when you invite them, they're going to go ahead and, you know, get invited to like your page. And that's a really easy way to grow your Facebook page further. And you could actually install bots where they automatically like all your likes on your posts. So what you do is, with a viral post or with an ad, you want to capitalize on all the people who like it, because you can just go ahead and invite them. So there's a Chrome app called Invite Post Likers to Like Page on Facebook. As you can see, 5,000 reviews, a lot of people use it. You add it to Chrome, and what it does is it automatically, let's say you have like hundreds of likes, instead of manually clicking invite on each one of them, it's going to go and like click invite for you automatically. So that's another tip on how to grow your Facebook account for free. But this is a viral method. Like, if you pick the right video that just goes viral on its own, people are going to be purchasing your product that you just low-key link as well as low-key tagged. But that's not your main goal. Your main goal is to like blow it up. Let's say you blow it up and it gets like 2 million views. Probably like not 1% of people would purchase, because you're not optimizing for purchases, but at least like 0.5% of people. So let's calculate that. If you have 1 million views, times that by 0.5%, that'll be 5,000 purchases, which is pretty good. 5,000 purchases, let's say average order value is $25. That's 125k just pushing this to 1 mil plus views. And that's highly doable when you already have a video that went viral on YouTube. It's really easy to make it go viral on Facebook. But that's the whole tutorial. I took you guys through everything step by step. I showed you the stats. I showed you how to set up the ad. So I hope I gave you guys enough value to go ahead and crush it on your own. And this is the viral video e-commerce strategy. Don't forget to drop a comment below. I'll be picking the best comment every single video to give $1,000 worth of courses or consulting course too, so be sure to do that. Be sure to drop a like below if you've been enjoying these videos. I've been trying my best to provide as much value as I can. I want to stand out within the e-commerce and marketing field when it comes to YouTube. I want to become the best. I just want to give away everything, and I want to hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of 2019. So be sure to share the channel, get people to subscribe to my channel, share the value that I'm sharing to you guys, and let's grow this community together. So last but not least, hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.